The Lok Sabha on July 31st passed the Registration of Births and Deaths Amendment Bill 2026 by voice vote without any debate as opposition protest disrupted proceedings. The House resumed at noon amid sloganeering over the alleged police crackdown on students during the July 20th Parliament March. Opposition MPs entered the well of the House demanding the presence of Home Minister Amit Shah, forcing the bill to be cleared without discussion. Reacting to the disruption, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju said the government had wanted a debate on the legislation, but the opposition chose not to participate. He termed it unfortunate that the bill had to be passed without their cooperation. The amendment makes delayed registration of births and deaths more stringent. Under the new provisions, registrations made more than 2 years after the event will require an order from a judicial magistrate first class. For delays of 1 to 2 years, the existing system of approval by a district magistrate, subdivisional magistrate, or an authorized executive magistrate will continue. The bill also updates legal terminology by replacing references to the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 with the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. The legislation has now been sent to the Rajya Sabha for approval. It is the third major bill to advance during the current parliament session.